go to YouTube. This is the app, tap on it. Now instead of uploading, like when it comes, tap on this plus sign. These are your videos. You want to upload a video, tap on any of the video. This is the video I've compressed already. You will see here, edit into a shot at the down left end. This edit to a shot. So I don't like the starting of you see, taking this this arrow here, this thing as taking is checking the style. So it may be I think I like this one. I like this one. I like the next one. I like these are the that's why I said sometimes you can choose the best styles. You don't need to make a new video for this one. So I will now tap on edit to a shot. Don't mind me, they still took me back to the beginning of the video. So you see this small rectangle here, squeeze it, squeeze it. I'm trying to check for the styles I love the most. Okay, squeeze it. I like this style. It's still not bad. This thing that is coming like this is animation. Sometimes when making my long videos, like those intro videos, I add like 2 styles and add animation. If you can try, animation is down there. Check, you see it in your CapCut. But just make sure that you are the one that does not have pro issue. So I think I'll just choose any place. Like this lady, I like this guy. So you see the length is just 22 seconds, and to make it's just the same thing again. After choosing the best part of your video, tap on next. So allow it to process. Checking my data. So it has processed now. Then this is text. This capital A and small a. Tap on it and you can just say hi. Me, I do greet them first though. Hi love, something like that. Drop an emoji there. Watch full video on my channel. You get so I'll take it down. If you take this pointed arrow here, tap on it on edit and take it up. You see how big it is, so I'll squeeze it down and take the text. I don't like my text being in the middle. I'll take it up, and apart from that, I'll now come down here at the top left end on timeline, and I don't want the watch full video on my channel to show at the beginning of the video, so I'll drag it to the back and then I will say done. You get that. So it's saying hi, watch full video on my channel. So this is another thing you can do. You can also write Awani's fashion like this in your videos, Awani's fashion, or any of your channel name your videos like that. And so once you are done, you go next. And then once you come next, this is where you enter the title here. You see hottest. Let me just come up with something. Hottest Ankara. The keywords are there. Hottest Ankara African print designs you wouldn't want to miss. So that's that. Then you come here and select audience. No, it's not meant for the public. related video. This is where I'm talking about. Tap on that related video where I've just, okay, let's go back. This is related video here. This video place here, this is related. So once you tap on related video now, and YouTube will bring, sorry, this is another channel, YouTube would have brought all my videos. So you now choose the video, the recent video that you just uploaded that you are now editing into shorts. I would have chosen that, but because this is a different channel, I cannot do that safe. So that is that. Then you add altered content and no, a normal everything, and then you tap on upload shot. Once I tap on upload shot, this thing will go live. But because this style is not, the channel here is a different channel, I wouldn't want to post this on this very channel. So that is that about that. Go ahead and do it. People will watch this. Sometimes I used to copy the link of that same video and post in the comments of this shot, so that people will watch. After watching it, they will, when people check comments and I pin it, they can now watch it instead of tracing and doing the link is there, or using the related video, it will still be showing on top of the video. That is just it. But it's nice, a good way to get traffic to your channel, to your long videos. All right, practice. Bye.